Hello YouTube, we're going to attempt to show you this in action. We're using our old Canon A1400 PowerShot camera. So you can tell me how old that is, probably 12 megapixel, whatever. Bought when I first got on YouTube. So we're going to show you how, see how nice that is? We're going to show you how good we can make this look. Now this is, I use this for welding, clamping stuff down. It is a junk pair. It is twisted. It's not a good pair of needle nose vice grips anymore. We're just using them as an example. So stay tuned. We're going to do a little test. We'll see if this interferes with the camera. My new one hates the sound of electric motor. You've all heard what it sounds like. It is terrible. So stay tuned. When I come back, be prepared that you might have to turn your volume down because it might be running and it might not be. So here we go. We'll be right back. We're going to give it a real quick test. Okay, it sounded good in the test, so be prepared to turn down your volume. Here we go. Let's put this baby on. Show you some action shots. I know I show you a lot of stuff, but here's what it looks like. Well, I want you to see me actually use the tool. That's pretty aggressive. I wouldn't probably bear down that hard with the other 150 because that's the 80 grip. But not looking too bad, huh? Okay, we'll bring you back when we're all done with this. Be careful when you open up stuff like this. Say you're like this. I got my goggles on. You're getting it because that's why I bought this. Because the other packages it fits down in the cracks and crap. It'll fit pretty good down in that stuff like this. So just be careful. Like I said, wear your goggles. You really maybe not should be wearing these, but these will shred. Leather gloves. I just don't want to ruin my leather gloves. I guess want to get an injury on your finger. But no, you don't want to hit this either way. But if I had a better shot over here like this, we're going to practice this, maybe use this camera more for cleaning a few tools, so you get to see me do some work. So stay tuned, we'll bring you back when this one's done. Okay, we spent some extra time on these. I'm laughing because my battery symbol's lit up. I just grabbed this off the shelf in the house to use. I got batteries out here though. We went this way a lot when we got done. You go in a circular pattern too, you kind of cut down some scratches, but trying to get a good shot here. Not too bad. Down there by the spring, if I would have took the spring out, it would probably have been better. But you can get a lot, like these vice grips, that thing. I mean, you could take them apart like this, and you can do this part. I mean, you know, you can really get these apart, you know, to really get at everything. This camera's getting blown out by the light too. Here, let it calm down. That bright LED shop light up there from Harbor Freight, I'll tell you what, it is so bright in here you could almost have to wear sunglasses. But it's really been helping me to film this winter. I catch myself saying that word. Anybody ever hear me say that? Winter instead of winter? It's not my bad accent coming through. I picked it up from somewhere. I blame it on all them YouTube videos I watch. Anyway. Take the blame. Anyway, there you go. And here's the other one I did yesterday. That was just a real quick. I mean, I could spend more time. You could probably tell. I could probably spend more time on this, get it better. The blue one did not do anything. This is for more of a fine polish. I would not get aggressive with that. I've going to get more aggressive with the orange one and just use it up. I said they're only like $4 a piece. I'll wear it down to nothing and buy another one. So, it's doing it good. Thanks for watching. I'll leave you a couple pictures. Maybe I'll give you an exploded view like this. What do you think? Of course I will. Okay, we're testing here. We're working. Okay, that's good enough.